Who the hell is that guy?
I don't know.
The hell is that?
Where?
Messing with the old Fury number 1, trying to get it to bark off. We're going to try to, but first we have a problem we had to address. The passenger's door don't quite open, so I recruited Gene to help me because he's like a beekeeper. Well, kind of, sort of, but not really.
Yeah.
So this door does not open from the outside, but we're going to try it anyways, because I'm going to go and be brave and go inside the car, and I'm going to pull on the handle and kick the son of a beaver open.
Now, if you get bit, I get to spray you and kill you. So
I told you, bees don't bite, they sting.
All right, if he stings you, I spray you so you don't suffer.
If he stings me, your ass is fired, I'm telling you what. You're supposed to be standing guard. Now, just a minute, give me a second to look. I'm more worried about other rodents in here instead of bees.
What, possums or raccoons?
Dude, if there's a bee nest in here.
As long as it ain't a porcupine. I'm not pulling them. I'm not going to pull anything out of your
I don't like this. I don't hear nothing yet.
You haven't stirred them up yet.
Shut up.
Yet. Get out of there. Are you out?
Reopen that window when we get that.
Oh yeah, there they are.
Is there a bunch of them?
He's looking.
Hey, he's by your head, dude.
I see him.
Put your bee goggles on.
Just wait a minute. I'm looking for the
Lord,
nest.
spray that.
I see it.
You see him? Holy Jesus! So you gotta spray the camera, man.
I didn't get the camera.
No, the cameraman. Me.
Come a little closer.
Hold on a minute. I'll come around there.
We only got the one bee. The rest had been smothered.
What do we got down there? Can I see him from in here?
Yeah, he's right there in the top corner next to the window.
I don't see him, man.
Right here.
Oh, he's in the door?
Yeah, he's in the
All right,
door.
just let me come around there. Just in case nobody believes us that there's bees in there, because they're like...
Well, the one's still hanging around. He's the guard, so...
He's the guy. Oh, yeah, look at that.
And you're wearing black, so...
That's a beautiful nest. Look at that thing.
That's a little one.
That is beautiful. You know what I'm going to do?
You're going to keep it.
No, I'm going to send these guys in for a close-up view. I'm not going in there, but they can. Yeah, you see that? You see that?
Oh, God. Like they haven't seen a nest.
The bees got their debut. No, the bees. They're on, like, TV now.
Yeah, dead ones.
Only boob tube.
Yeah.
Oh, we can see this side now. Anyways, you know, the pasture rockers here.
Are good.
And then gone.
Yeah.
Here.
Gone.
And then gone.
Yeah.
The floorboard.
Looks
That's
real good.
delete.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the plastic face for the Speedo.
Yep, there. See, you got a good. You got a little.
You know,
good
actually, the floor is
part. Not as bad as Christine.
not as bad as Christine was. I mean, it's pretty bad, but yeah, we need to spray that nest, man. We gotta get that.
It's
out
already
of
nested. You want it out?
there. Why is he? Don't put your hands on it. They're not like honeybees. They're not your friends.
They're dead.
Where's he at?
The nest is on the ground. There's 2 bees up there. They're dead.
Maybe he's just sleeping.
No, he ain't sleeping.
You got starting fluid, he'd be sleeping.
Yeah.
You know, we should probably lube that door up while we got it open.
Yeah.
See if we can get it to work from the outside.
Yeah. The other bee hasn't come back yet, so.
I got some WD-40. Well, it's in the cabinet. Grab some. What's the matter with you? Good Lord. Like I think of everything? We give all these hinges a shot and everything, but why not? When we're in here, right? And bees just, I don't even like them.
That's good for arthritis.
Man, these hinges are really
struggling.
They're jacked up, man.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah, give me that dub or that.
WBB.
That PB. PD blaster.
BB blaster.
PD blaster.
Hit the hinge.
I did hit the hinge.
You're a lousy shot. And you carry a license. Yeah, that's about the size of that. That's about the only thing you can handle.
That's just kind of mean. Not gonna lie, that was kind of a dick move.
Yeah.
Kind of a dick move.
I didn't come here to be nice. I just came here to check out the electrical system.
We'll just soak that all together. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? That looks so much better.
Nice and drippy.
You know what? We should probably...
No, it doesn't work.
Huh? She froze up?
Yeah, it's just...
Disconnected?
Probably
oh, that's
froze
not
or
good.
something.
Yeah, that's not disconnected.
You gotta take the cover off to fix that.
Crap! These damn Mopar doors, they always do that.
Only when you buy them.
It's because I buy
Go
rusty.
down with that?
I buy rusty gold.
Oh yeah, look at that, yeah. Just like old, new.
Okay, this all this
old new stock.
door stuff's gotta go.
How am I supposed to make that now? You ripped it off.
I know it's a Fury door panel, but you just gotta do that.
Yes.
It feels better, the door panel does. I just wish the door would work.
Don't close it all the way. That's all.
Well, I could roll the window down and...
Yeah, roll it down a little bit.
You wish you could get a screwdriver and try to work that up and down.
Well, one's a lock. You gotta figure out which is the lock.
Pliers and see. Well, I can tell right here. Just push the handle down and lock it. What's it doing?
Nothing.
There ain't nothing.
No, ain't doing a damn thing.
This handle pulling, you hear it doing something.
I can hear it, but it's inside here. It's not coming through the hole. You can't see it through the hole.
It's not coming through the hole?
No, you can't see nothing going through the hole, man.
It's not coming in the hole?
It ain't coming.
What the hell?
It ain't coming or going. Sounds like it came right out of the
Oh,
back.
the window goes down like brand new.
Yeah.
That's brand new in 1957.
Yeah.
Why does every tire go flat?
Because it's not such a good rubber.
So yeah, anyways, that's all there is to it. So,
Alright.
well, that ain't solving nothing.
Well, you got rid of the bee nest. You know, it's something to do with the latch and sides.
Hey, grab that bee spray. Give me the bee spray. Bee spray? Yeah. You want it again? Actually, wait a minute. I got my fly swatter. Never mind. We might need it again.
That's the guard. He wants to come back in. Just hit him with your hat.
Yeah, I'm gonna, but he won't land.
He doesn't have to land. Don't you know how to shoot air target?
Look, I'm a good aim, but I'm not that good of an aim. I got 3 kids, for Christ's sakes. How good of an aim do you think I am?
I found it.
Well, a lot of good does you to find it now. I think he's dead now.
What the hell did you ask me to go get it for?
Because by the time you did it, I would have been eating my whole damn hive. The whole front clip's coming off this car. The whole damn front clip. I love the custom motor mount. Did you see that?
No.
It's cable.
Oh, they cabled it down?
Yeah, because the motor mount broke.
I see that, yeah. Well, that's better than a chain. At least the cable's adjustable. Yeah, they did put an adjuster on it.
Yeah, the motor mount broke.
Yeah. Hey,
Right there.
that'll keep it from turning over and unhooking the fuel line.
Like I said, this one's just going to be get in it and drive it, beat the hell out of it. And, yeah. I like good stuff. I want to get this front clip off here because it's all fiberglass.
Oh, these are fiberglass fenders?
Yeah. We're going to close the video out for now because the battery's almost dead and we're not going to do no more today. So hope you got your entertainment for the day. We did.
Yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you on the flip side. And hopefully next time we get this thing to roll over. And hopefully I can get the old man back here with me to help me with this. So, all right, we'll see you later, guys.
Thanks.